Hello guys, Sanjay here and welcome back to a new video. Mighty OnePlus 8 Pro against the brand new Realme X7 Pro, Snapdragon 865 against the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. Which device will perform better? We'll talk about that. Obviously, I have the OnePlus 8 Pro here and I also have the OnePlus 8T. Why am I not using the OnePlus 8T and why am I using OnePlus 8 Pro? I'll talk about that. But before that, let's start with the reboot test. Okay, first of all, let me just show you that nothing is running in the background on both these devices, as you can see. So let's just start with the reboot test. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. And let's see which one boots up faster. By the time these devices are booting up, let me talk about why am I not using the OnePlus 8T. So usually when I do speed test videos, I try to make sure that the RAM variants are same as well. So I have the 12GB RAM variant of the OnePlus 8 Pro and I have the Realme X7 Pro which comes with 8GB of RAM only. And I have the OnePlus 8 Pro which comes with 8GB of RAM as well. So that's why I decided to go with OnePlus 8 Pro over OnePlus 8T. Whether OnePlus 8T performs better or not, I'll talk about that in this video as well. Realme X7 Pro booted up already. When it comes to reboot test, yes, Realme X7 Pro is faster, and every time we tried rebooting these devices, Realme X7 Pro was faster because we have already done the test obviously multiple times. Realme X7 Pro, OnePlus 8 Pro, Realme X7 Pro and the OnePlus 8T as well. Nothing is running in the background. Both these devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Location is turned on and NFC and Bluetooth are turned off completely. Now let's start with the Twitter application. OnePlus 8 Pro was faster to open it up. Facebook application, I'm not really sure which one loaded it faster because it was very close. Let's try Instagram app, and this time it was Realme X7 Pro which loaded the Instagram app faster. Let's try Play Store. Once again, Realme X7 Pro was faster. Flipkart application, I don't really know, it was very difficult. Let's go with the DRM info application, and this application is to check whether both of them support Wideband L1 certification or not, and they do. Now let's go to Prime Video application and let's see whether Prime Video application supports full HD resolution, stream and download, streaming quality 1.82GB per hour on both these devices. That means both these devices can play full HD videos on Prime Video application. Let's go to Netflix app now. Let's select my profile. OnePlus 8 Pro is slightly faster to open Netflix application. We'll open up our test patterns to see if both of them can play videos at 1080p resolution, and already OnePlus 8 Pro is playing at 1080p resolution, and I'm sure Realme X7 Pro in a few seconds will go to 1080p resolution as well. And there you go, 1080p resolution on the Realme X7 Pro. So both these devices support full HD resolution, so no need to worry about that. Now if we select the Queen's Gambit show and go into episodes and info, it will show as HD on the Realme X7 Pro, meaning it can play it at 1080p resolution, no issues over there. But OnePlus 8 Pro shows as HDR, meaning it can not only play full HD resolution, but it can also play this series in HDR resolution. If you're wondering whether OnePlus 8T supports HDR or not, then yes, there you go. OnePlus 8T also supports HDR resolution, and that's the advantage I guess that you get of paying 10 to 15,000 rupees extra over the Realme X7 Pro, that you can play HDR videos. Now let's go to Solid File Explorer application. Let me just delete this folder because we did the test obviously multiple times on all these three devices. When it comes to deleting the folder, Realme X7 Pro does it very quickly, whereas OnePlus 8 Pro is quite slow in that department and it will delete the files anytime now. Let's go to Media 722 zip file. We'll extract this file. Select extract and let's see which one extracts the file faster. Obviously having higher UFS version on the OnePlus 8 Pro should benefit it, but it feels as if, okay, this time I guess OnePlus 8 once again, this is what happens with OnePlus devices, not just OnePlus 8 Pro but even on the OnePlus 8T. I have done this extraction test on OnePlus 8 Pro, OnePlus 8T and Realme X7 Pro multiple times, and every single time Realme X7 Pro was the faster device, because as you saw that small dip that happened on the OnePlus 8 Pro, it happens on the OnePlus 8T as well. I'm not really sure whether to blame Snapdragon 865 or Oxygen OS's optimization, but Dimensity 1000 Plus processor and the Realme X7 Pro definitely performed better. Now let's go to KineMaster application. This is where we are going to render a video. It's going to be a 1080p 60 fps video, and we are going to render it out in 4K 30 fps to get the maximum performance out of it. So let's select the same video on both these devices. Let's select OK. Let's select export. 4K 30 on both these devices. So the size is 2064 MB. Let's click on export. Let's click on skip at the same time and let's see which one does it faster. Obviously I know what is going to happen here. but I'll try to keep it a surprise for you. Now Realme X7 Pro will cost you less than 30,000 rupees, whereas OnePlus 8 Pro will cost you 55,000 rupees, like whopping 55,000 rupees, which is like 25,000 rupees higher than 30,000. OnePlus 8T will cost you anywhere from 40 to 45,000 rupees depending on which variant you decide to pick. And in that particular price difference, it is amusing to see that Realme X7 Pro performs so good and so close to these flagship devices by OnePlus. It's actually a good thing. OnePlus 9, which will come with, let's say, Snapdragon 888 processor, will be able to perform better, much better as compared to Dimensity 1000 plus processor, I guess, in my opinion. So if you were wondering whether Dimensity 1000 plus processor present on the Realme X7 Pro or other Dimensity 1000 plus Pro devices can perform as good as Snapdragon 865 or as good as a 55,000 rupees price device, then as you can see, rendering test shows that it can. App opening test has proved it again that they can open apps very quickly. I mean, this is not really a scientific test as such, but when it comes to rendering test or extraction test, this is where true CPU performance comes out. And when it comes to rendering test, why am I getting a feeling that Realme X7 Pro is going to finish it first? I'll just fast forward the part now. It is very close, but OnePlus 8 Pro was the winner here and Realme X7 Pro came second in this test. And I did the same speed test with OnePlus 8T, and every single time I do this, by couple of seconds, OnePlus devices like even OnePlus 8T and OnePlus 8 Pro win in the this export test with KineMaster application. Let's just go to the home. Let's try Chrome and let's see which one opens it faster. I guess it was OnePlus 8 Pro which opened it faster, this particular article. Let's go to PUBG Mobile Korea and let's see which one opens it faster. I have disabled game space over here, and I have disabled the gaming mode on the Realme X7 Pro as well, because a lot of the times gaming modes remove everything which is running in the background, and we are going to do multitasking test as well. And it is quite evident that OnePlus 8 Pro is going to load the game faster as compared to Realme X7 Pro. Now I will tell you guys what the results were earlier when I tried it earlier. Let's just try opening the other games. So OnePlus 8 Pro comfortably opened it faster as compared to Realme X7 Pro. Now let's go to Free Fire. I hope Realme X7 Pro can regain its lead, or will it? Okay, once again, it seems as if wait. Okay, OnePlus 8 Pro once again loaded the game faster as compared to Realme X7 Pro. Let's try Call of Duty. Can Realme X7 Pro open the game faster? Like as soon as I touch on the game logo, you can see that OnePlus 8 Pro starts loading the game like a few milliseconds faster as compared to Realme X7 Pro. And once again, when it comes to Call of Duty game, OnePlus 8 Pro was the one to open it faster. Let's try Asphalt 9 game now. And once again, as you can see, the animation of loading screen was shown faster on the OnePlus 8 Pro as compared to Realme X7 Pro. Now, when it comes to Asphalt 9, once again, I am going to say that OnePlus 8 Pro will open it faster. And we did this test multiple times against the OnePlus 8T as well. And every single time, OnePlus devices were able to open the game faster as compared to Realme X7 Pro. When it comes to gaming performance, obviously I usually prefer OnePlus devices, but I will mention about gaming performance in my full review of the Realme X7 Pro, which I'll be posting pretty soon, so get subscribed for that. If you want to watch a detailed video of Realme X7 Pro, gaming video and everything, all the links will be present in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out if you are interested in Realme X7 Pro and other advantages that it has. Now let's try multitasking test. Both these devices have 8 GB of RAM, so let's go with Asphalt 9. Obviously it's going to be in memory. Call of Duty is in memory on both these devices. Let's go back. Free Fire is in memory on both these devices. Let's see PUBG Mobile, which one shows it faster. Okay, Realme X7 Pro showed it faster and OnePlus 8 Pro showed a black screen. This can be one-off situation though. Chrome application is in memory. Let's see. KineMaster is in memory on both these devices. This time OnePlus 8 Pro loaded the KineMaster application faster. Solid File Explorer is in memory. Netflix app is in memory on the OnePlus 8 Pro, but it was reloaded on the Realme X7 Pro. Will Prime Video reload on Realme X7 Pro as well? I guess I am going to say it was kind of reloaded because it took much longer time. DRM Info app is in memory on the OnePlus 8 Pro. Let's try Flipkart app. Once again, Realme X7 Pro reloaded the application. Play Store is in memory on the OnePlus 8 Pro, it was reloaded on the Realme X7 Pro. Instagram application is in memory, reloaded on the Realme X7 Pro. Facebook application will be reloaded no matter what you do. Twitter, I am interested in this. Okay, in memory on the OnePlus 8 Pro, it was reloaded on the Realme X7 Pro. Let's go to settings and let me just show you that I have the 8GB RAM variant. Otherwise, some of you may have questions. Oh, is it actually 8GB of RAM? So as you can see, storage 8GB, 128GB, and even the Realme X7 Pro is 8GB RAM variant with 128GB of internal storage. Android 11 is present on the OnePlus 8 Pro. That's because OnePlus gave the Android 11 update, whereas Realme is still on Android 10. That's something which I cannot do about. Now, what's the conclusion? Which device is faster? Obviously, you can see when it comes to loading up games or when it comes to keeping applications running in memory, OnePlus 8 Pro or even the OnePlus 8T performs better as compared to Realme X7 Pro. But as I have 12GB RAM variant of the OnePlus 8T, I did not use this device because then some people would have been like, this is 12GB, that's why OnePlus 8T is not reloading the application. I showed you with OnePlus 8 Pro that it is reloading application on the Realme X7 Pro. And I guess that's pretty much it for this particular video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press the bell icon so that you get notified next time I upload a video like this one. If you still have any more doubts, suggestions or queries regarding any of these devices or this video, you can tweet it to me at @thenj_tech. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching.